The CentralReach helps out a ton with our staff retention, with onboarding. So we do use CR Institute for initial staff training, and that's just wonderful because what it does is it helps our employees train in that initial portion of their training, and they have continued access to those trainings as well as different trainings throughout their experience as well.
CentralReach has really helped with rolling out new initiatives and training our team members in that. The system itself is very user-friendly, and we've been doing a couple CR mobile pilots actually, and so I'm thinking more freshly towards that, and that just a really streamlined application. It's really cut back on that training time, which has really helped with part of that initiative and considering CR mobile as full end-to-end use for our behavior technicians.
I think our number one complaint from our therapists who are in the day-to-day trenches is the burnout of the clients that they're working with are not the easiest. The parents are going through a lot, so they often have really hard conversations during the day. And then a lot of what they do comes after hours, and that's when they catch up with their notes and everything. So I think CentralReach just continues to help us in whatever way they can decrease that burnout and make sure that the time isn't as much, they're doing less of the extra.
What we have seen with the CR Institute, because we rely on that heavily for that initial RBT, that 40-hour training, and it's just nice because CentralReach kind of keeps up with that. What are the industry standards? What do the RBTs need to know? Making sure those ethical requirements or the BACB requirements are there as well. We've also have really worked hard, and I think this is something industry-wide that we're continuing to improve, is the retraining of our RBTs. And we have set up systems in place to allow for that, but sometimes even creating those trainings is more time. So we're able to dip into CR Institute, find some trainings, and roll that out throughout the company. And it just saves a lot of time, but it keeps our employee skills sharp. And what's really nice that I hear often is that if an employee is having challenges in a certain area, we're able to quickly search CR Institute, are there any trainings in this area that we can first guide them to, and then help support them in other ways, and they really enjoy that. And they do have access to the system, so it allows them to have some of that empowerment to search the system, find that training on their own, and be a little bit more independent with their growth as well.